He is risen, the hope of Easter morning. He is not here, for he has risen, just as he said, Matthew 28:6. Easter morning begins not with light, but with shadows. It begins in silence, in grief. Women walking to a tomb, hearts heavy with sorrow. They had seen him die. They had watched the stone roll over his grave. The one who healed the sick, opened blind eyes, calmed the sea, was gone. And yet, something happened that morning that changed everything forever. When they arrived, the stone was rolled away. The tomb was empty, and an angel stood with a message that has echoed through the ages. He is not here, for he has risen. In one moment, despair gave way to hope. Death gave way to life. The silence of Saturday gave way to the glory of Sunday. Easter is not just about a historical event, it is about a living Savior. The resurrection of Jesus is the turning point of history, the foundation of our faith, and the answer to the deepest cries of the human heart. Easter is not the end of the story, it's the beginning. A fresh start, a new creation, a redeemed future. The risen Jesus didn't just conquer death, he came to walk with us, live in us, and lead us into abundant life. Today, don't just remember the empty tomb, live in its power. Think about it. The same power that raised Jesus from the dead now lives in us. The empty tomb is not just a symbol of Jesus rising. It's a promise that one day we too will rise. The resurrection says that God keeps his promises. Jesus told his disciples he would rise, and he did, even when it seemed impossible, even when hope was buried behind a stone. Because he lives, we are not alone. We are not forgotten. Our past does not define us, and our sin does not have the final word. Because he lives, there is victory over fear. There is peace in suffering. There is hope beyond the grave. And maybe today, you're carrying a heavy stone of your own. Grief, guilt, uncertainty, loss. But Easter reminds us, God still rolls stones away. He still brings life where there was death, light where there was darkness, joy where there was mourning. Let the resurrection breathe new hope into your weary soul. Let it remind you that nothing is too broken for God to restore. That no night is so dark his light can't break through. That no grave can hold what God is destined to rise. He is risen. He is alive. And because of that, so is hope.